Hi guys, it is Regina Arce again. Thank you so much for joining my channel. If you like, please press the like button and please subscribe. It would be highly appreciated. Today I am basically going to wash my dishes, and while I'm washing some dishes, I got to pull a lot of this stuff up in here. While I'm washing my dishes, I was basically going to where is my bleach? Hold on, guys. Here's my bleach. I always pour a cat full. But, basically, I was gonna come in here and talk about, that whole, Cardi B thing. Cardi B and Offset getting divorced. I'm sure you guys have already, heard about, Cardi B and Offset getting a divorce. And you know what? It's really sad. When I first heard about that, I was like, you know what? It happens. It happens sometimes. But, you know, the things that I was hearing and seeing people say about her and Offset, I just was like, wow, you know, at least we could do is have common decency for people. You know, I'm sure, you know, Cardi B has a past, and you know everybody has a past, and you know when she got married, there's no record of her doing anything to sabotage her marriage. You know, there's no record of that at all, and so not that I know of, but you know, when you hear people say mean things about her and other things, and I know she said a couple of mean things about a lot of women, and it wasn't good. I mean, you gotta say it wasn't really good. But you know what? Her marriage to Offset was her marriage. And you know what? It looks like she tried to do everything to try to make that marriage work, and it didn't work out. And you know what? It happens. But you also have to understand that a lot of people were saying a lot of bad things about her, like saying that her WAP wasn't good enough, and because she don't cook and because she don't clean, that's the reason why she couldn't keep her man. That could have been the case, but you know what? Sometimes they just don't work out. Sometimes marriages just don't work out. I mean, there are people who are just not meant for each other. And, you know, who's to say that that's the reason why they were getting a divorce? Because she don't cook and because she don't clean and she only depended on, we all know, the WAP. You know, who's to say that the marriage didn't work out because of that? You know, I mean, there are some women who cook and clean and they do the whole 9 yards, and their husbands still walk away from them. I mean, not just that, women too. I mean, you know, men do the whole 9 yards. I mean, and sometimes their wives still just go out and do what they're gonna do. Look at Jada and Will. I mean, I'm sure Will is a good man. I'm sure he's an exceptional man. But that didn't stop Jada from going out doing what she's doing. And also Kevin Hart's wife, I'm sure, I mean, I'm just giving examples, you know. Kevin Hart's wife, I'm sure, the ex-wife, I'm sure she was cooking, the first one. I'm sure she was cooking and cleaning and doing lots of good things. And I mean, what happened? He got up and, you know, he was doing what he was doing. I mean, there's lots of countless other examples of people who do the whole 9 yards and still their partner runs out and do what they're going to do. Only one that's going to stop that individual from doing what they're going to do is them. And, you know, instead of us, you know, rejoicing at their downfall, we should pray for them. You know, if you're gonna say something about somebody, you know, pray for that individual, because that individual may have lots of problems that, you know, you don't know about. You know, some people can say things about other people, and sometimes they could be so hurt inside, and we don't know. And the last thing we should be doing is rejoicing at somebody's downfall. You know, we should pray for people and hope that, you know, people get themselves together, because you never know what people are going through. So that's all I have to say for today. And I hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed day. And I hope you guys pray for each other. And I hope you guys help each other and not rejoice at people's downfalls, because it could happen to anyone. You know, this type of situation could happen to anyone. No matter who they are. You know, they could be a celebrity, they could be a poor person, they could be any type of race. It could happen to anybody, and it doesn't matter what you do or what you say. I mean, it could happen to anyone. And, you know, instead of being mean to people, we should pray for people and try to help one another. Okay, well, I gotta finish washing these dishes. If you like, please press the like button and please subscribe. It would be highly appreciated. Again, this is Regina Arce. You guys have a beautiful and blessed day. Bye.